Hey, if you wonder if you can actually play games on the HUAWEI Watch Fit 3, the answer is yes and no. So no if you want to get them as a default, but yes, you can download them. So when you go to the Huawei Health application and move into the app gallery, you can currently find one game, and the game, okay, I've got some error. Let's try to do this one more time. There we go. So as you can see here, we've got the game Surfing Joe, and we can actually get it on our watch. We have to click install, and after this downloading and the installation process, we will be able to find this game on our watch. So this is actually the preview how this game looks. This is also the size of the game, released, and the developer. So now you can find, after this installation, you'll actually find this game right here on your app list. And yeah, this is it for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.